Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Horticulture Corporation alleges that opposition and some vegetable vendors are trying to block their schemes. Sankalp says Gonds will get subsidized vegetables, if not from Belgaum, then from Kolhapur and Nasik. Dalai Lama calls 21st century a century of dialogue, says 99% of Tibetans look at India although they are controlled by China, advises masses to build libraries and not temples. Mickey shakes hands with Churchill, offers sweets to the PWD minister at Majorca, says it is not a political compromise. Babush kicks off his door-to-door campaign, says he's got rid of rotten apples from his panel. Sports Authority of Goa sent off the 7 teams for the 34th National Games. Gold medalists to get 3 lakhs, silver 2 lakhs and bronze 1 lakh as prize money. Quality of boxing is improving but infrastructure in a sorry state in Goa, says veteran boxing administrator Lenny Tagama. And now the news in detail. Horticulture Corporation has made it clear that under no circumstances, the department will stop selling vegetables at subsidized rates. Sankalp Amonkar said that if Belgaum stops supplying vegetables to the corporation, then they will get vegetables from Kolhapur and Nasik. Amonkar has alleged that some of the vegetable vendors and opposition, BJP, is trying to block their scheme.
Vegetable agents had a meeting in Belgaum on Sunday. Sources say that some of the vegetable vendors from Goa were also present for the meet. It was decided that wholesalers from Belgaum will have no business relationship with Goa Horticulture Corporation. However, chairman of the corporation, Sankalp Amonkar, said that there is no need to fear.
त्यांच्यानी अशें डिसिजन घेतला की चारूय सप्लायरांक कोणेन भाजी दिवची न्हू बेळगांवच्या लोकांनी आनी तेंचे कडसून विकतीय घेवप ना म्हणून अशें तेंचें डिसिजन जालां म्हणजे तें शक्य ना. एक फार्मराक जर फायदो जाता, फार्मराची जी भाजी जर आमचो सप्लायर घेता जाल्यार तो फार्मर आमकां कित्याक दिवपा ना.
Amonkar further blamed opposition party and some vegetable vendors. He says that they are trying to block their scheme.
आनी ही जी लॉबी आसा, जी वेजिटेबल एक सर्टन ग्रुप्स आसा पळय, तेंची जी लॉबी आसा आयज तांकां खंय तरी दुखपाक लागलेले आसा. आयज आमी कोणाचो धंदो वाट लावपाक लागून ही स्कीम चालू केली ना. हेजो स्किमीचो बेनिफीट लोकांक जावचो हेज्या प्रयत्नान आमी फुडें सरलेले आसा. आनी हांकां फाटल्यान जर कोण सपोर्ट करता जाल्यार ते पॉलिटिकल लोक आसा, जे ऑपोजिशनान आसा ते लोक सपोर्ट करपाक लागलेले आसा.
He said that he will speak to the CM Digambar Kamath to keep this vegetable lobby under check.
सो ही स्किमीक लागून बेळगांवच्या मार्केटाचेर आमी डिपेंड ना. आयज बेळगांव जर बंद करता आमचे कडेन ऑप्शन्स खूब आसा. कित्याक मार्केट खूब आसा. आमचे कडेन सिरसय मार्केट आसा, मुंबय मार्केट आसा, कोल्हापूर मार्केट आसा, नासीक मार्केट आसा, अशी मार्केट खूब आसा. म्हणल्यार फक्त कितें आसा आमकां डिस्टन्स मातसो पयस पडटलो. सो आयज जर फाल्यां बेळगांव गेले तर ही स्कीम चालू दवरपाक लागून आमी ते तेवटेनसूनय मॅनेज करता. लास्ट टायम जेन्ना कांद्याचो प्रॉब्लम जालो, कांदो अवेलेबल नासलो तेन्ना आमी कितले कडसून आख्खे इंडिये कडसून कांदो घेतलेलो.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Tibetan religious leader and propagator of peace Dalai Lama has said that 21st century will be the century of dialogue. He revealed that 99% of Tibetans still look at India, although the whole of region is controlled by China. He advised masses to build libraries instead of temples to spread knowledge. He was speaking at the Festival of Ideas.
I often is telling Tibetan and also some Chinese, they fond to make Buddha statue. I often telling them, I'm Buddhist. I have deep sort of admiration and respect to Buddha, but Buddha statue never speak. So instead of speak less sort of object, better to print more books. That's more important. Two civilization, Tibetan civilization, Indian civilization, like two branches of one Bodhi tree. Actually, Bodhi tree grow here. Then one branch eventually reach Tibet. So the 1,000 years, our relation is something very strong. So as a result, today, 6 million Tibetan inside Tibet, physically controlled by the Chinese communists. But 99% of their mind looking this country. That's fact. I usually describe 20th century becomes century of bloodshed, century of war. Now this century, 21st century, should be century of dialogue. Because you see, some problem always there. So what we can do is the method solving this problem, not using force, but dialogue.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Finally, Mickey and Churchill shook hands, had sweets together and pledged for the development of Benaulim. But mind you, there is no political compromise. At least this is what Mickey claims.
It was an unusual sight, politically almost unthinkable. Mickey shook hands with his arch political rival Churchill Alemão and offered him sweets with his own hands. Both were present for the inauguration of hot mixing of roads in Majorda area. 2.2 kilometers of road will be upgraded by spending 91 lakh rupees.
Yeah, cost is about admission level 91 lakhs.
91 lakhs.
91 lakhs. 2.2 kilometers. Hot mixing. And plus आम्ही बारीक बारीक करून बी करता गेली आहात.
आणि तेंगे आमदारांनी म्हणजे कितें सांगितलं ते म्हणजे कितें कर म्हणे.
Mickey said that all roads in Banauli will be upgraded by May end.
आज 3 वर्सांनी म्हाका ह्यो सगळ्यो फायल्यो चीफ मिनिस्टर बोले वचून क्लियर करून हाडले. कित्याक चीफ मिनिस्टराक दिसले गेले ते 3.5 वर्सां हिंगा डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा कांय करून दिवलें ना, चिडून दवरला. सगळे रस्ते जे घातलेले 3 वर्सां पयले ते जावपा पावना, कितें फायल हिंगा थिंगा हाडून दवरलेले. हांवें पर्सनली मॉनिटर करून फायल क्लियर केले. मुगे अरावंड 27 फायल आसलेले. एक फायल एटलीस्ट 7-8 रस्ते कलाब केलो हांवें. म्हणटा मुगेलो हो इनिशियल आतां बाय मे म्हळ्यार मुगे सगळे रस्ते मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आहा तितले रस्ते कंप्लीट जातले.
Mickey hinted at some individual biases as a reason behind the delay for upgradation.
डिले कितें जाता पर्सनल घेवन बसशील म्हणटा मुगे कोण फामील रावना, मुगे सगळे वोटर्स. सो ते पर्सनल गेले बसले म्हणटा मागीर इतले भाशेन डिले जाता.
But has Mickey and Churchill compromised?
आता हेजेरूच तुमचे कॉम्प्रोमाइज जातले काय कितें?
कॉम्प्रोमाइज गुड कॉम्प्रोमाइज म्हणटा ती पॉलिटिकल गोष्ट आहा ती वेगळी. दिस इज प्युअरली डेव्हलपमेंट. This is which is required of the house.
A reporter from Majorda, Samir Bhatt.
Congress State General Secretary Vijay Sardesai will contest from Fatauda even if Congress party denies him the ticket. While replying to the allegations of illegalities, he said that he has sincerely worked for people and people are more important to him than law. He criticized his rival Damu Naik of inefficiency and non-competency.
सो हो दामू नायक आमदार काय हो पुलीस?
हे करतना विजय कायदो पाळटा काय पाळना होय प्रश्न आहा न्ही.
कायदो पाळपाचो इशू हांव जे कितें करता ते लोकां खातीर करता.
दामू म्हणटा की खाक्यांक फायली मारून आपूण भोंवता आनी रस्तो जालो की थंय वचून विजय नाल्ल फोडटा.
तूं एक सांग म्हाका, आमदार निवडून येता तो खाक्यांक फायली मारून भोंवपाक? हांव घरा बसून कामां करता, खाक्यान फायली मारून वचपाक पडना म्हाका.
You also believe that there is no need of coalition?
100% there is no need of coalition. Because coalition जर चलयलें, आतां तें डिसिजन दिल्ली जाता
बरोबर.
बट कोयलेशन जर चलयलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता 40 जाण उबे जातात, 40 अळमीशी फुटतात आनी मागीर ती पार्टी तांकां कंट्रोल करूंक शकना. आय एम 100% contesting. On anything, I am contesting.
On anything. Even if Congress denies you a ticket, you are contesting.
Congress will not deny me a ticket.
That is the first part of it. Even if Congress denies, you are contesting.
Congress is 100% aware that I am 100%
that is
candidate.
there.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
We'll be back after a short break. Stay tuned.